a TG.
And Shy, here
with another big bang.
You, you,
Yeah, you, yeah, you.
I don't mind, I don't mind, I don't mind,
Hi guys, welcome back.
Hola.
So it's of course here as I am and then TJ and Shan. So we're gonna have a discussion. So the thing we want to talk about is basically some taboo stuff in a relationship, like where we're kind of free to taboo to your partner or a taboo to your best friend. So the first one for me is just a burning topic for me. Like, how do you express to your partner you want to try one new position? Like, babe, when I put over the side instead of right.
Just tell him. Just tell him.
No, it's not. It's not a normal thing, you know. That's something you
No, I understand
know.
what you mean. I understand
Yes,
what you
you
mean.
want to try
yeah,
something
for what you
new.
mean.
You don't know how you feel, but you know she feel, but you
The
like.
thing is, I know what you're talking about now. The thing is that you don't know if your man ever say, so for 5 years now, me I do it back way.
All of a sudden,
All of a sudden, you want to put the dresser. Who put you up on the dresser?
I think
That's exactly what
I
I
think it depends on what type of relationship you and your partner
True.
have.
Probably should watch a movie and see if
Exactly.
Depends on how comfortable.
Alright, she probably
Depends on
talk about sex with her friend and she will sit
Yeah.
and she'll say, oh, you know that style of body. You know?
She probably start the yoga classes, you
But
know.
then the killer can try something.
And like it depends on the trust level as well.
True.
If you're not going to jealous or say, you might think that somebody else hear that idea here, or she never come up
So what
with
if-
it on her own.
A man come in with a new position, what do you do?
Oh,
To be honest, I don't think I would be that surprised because you guys are men. But just on a daily.
personally for
You see
me,
now you're getting thing wrong.
personally for me, that say, oh, say watch a new porn
Just to
video.
know what's porn hard.
Yeah, I don't know what people say watch a new
No,
porn
it's for
video.
us. Sorry. No.
Men generally watch a lot of porn.
Don't group them now because ladies watch a lot of porn. Trust
Yes,
me.
I
I
don't know
watch
what
a
I
lot of
even
it
know
too.
which part Google it on my phone to find that.
Are you
Lie.
sure?
Lie.
Let's be honest.
Lie.
That's how we want to carry it, you know.
Let's be honest.
My favorite
Females
porn
watch a lot.
site. My favorite porn site XNXX. Alright? BBC.
Baddest one, that's it.
Women watch a lot of porn as well with us type.
So hold on, I'm asking a question.
Pretend that we don't.
You don't want to ask a question. Why you not hype and one like you don't watch?
I
Wait.
don't
No,
watch the whole world, but
watch it, no?
I'm not gonna say no. I'm not gonna be one of them girls that say no. I'm gonna watch porn and watch
There-
that and no.
There was a one time, but I rushed to go work, right? But I look for something for a friend. I want a friend to look for something for him, right? Him come now have my phone and say, oh, say I watch Big Black Cock. So me I say, this how you talk, where you see that? Send me screenshot, come up on asking the screenshot, you know, and show me also. And that you want, you want BBC. And I'm like, damn, nigga. But just call it a day and say, what? Me dey look for something.
I say if a woman watch porn in front of different thing, but when she have to do fear part on the porn, you know,
Yeah.
when she watch that stuff, them no secret, you know, hide and you don't know when them are doing it, you know.
Yeah, true.
You don't know when them
And
are
sometimes you
doing
just have to be still. You see sheet and move.
Okay.
I'm scratching my foot.
No,
No, man.
No, I'm gonna be honest.
No, I'm telling you favorite
That's a
part,
lie.
right? Well, I'm telling you favorite part. Make you sleep, you know, and then get up, you know. And you sleep, you know. And them gone and bathroom and somewhere, them gone go rub out them hand nickel and come, them finger tip. And see them you come back.
Not everybody
I'm
likes
tired, you know,
it.
and me asleep. You see what I say?
No, but the reason why, for me personally, the reason why I don't like to watch, I don't want to masturbate around on him because one giant. It's a my thing, it's a me moment. Just if you have look,
Well,
you have come
well,
and
the
fling
thing
in
is-
and you have fling in foot.
No, the thing.
I think it depends on
No,
the
the thing is
vibe.
that no, alright. It a feel away for a man. For no
But
sense.
it shouldn't
The woman
be.
literally beside of you. And it's not like a cock unemployed.
But she have a
It's that it a
turn
work.
over here
No, it a
anyway.
work. Your cock a work and
No,
you're there rub out your
can't.
hand. It just feel away to say. How you feel for a man just turn. How you feel about that? You feel good about that?
It depends on the vibe for me.
You feel good about that?
Me go wonder.
Better do
Me
that
go wonder,
than
yes.
You got one if you turn from your
Yeah,
it
me
just,
go wonder.
it seem-
I don't think
Ah.
that. I don't personally think that. I just
It
feel
just
like say
depends.
sometimes you have to jumpstart a car by yourself.
No,
You can't
probably if
just
you're
bring
naturally you're
everybody.
probably a masturbator. You're just a certified masturbator. No, that's why, because you're just used to yourself. So
But
probably
that's
that.
how women find comfort in
Yeah,
themselves
true.
and know when you want new things get done. Because you can't just every second you have to watch some same man finger in there and him everything and you just
If
want
a
to be by
reality woman know
yourself.
for really pressure himself.
That's what I'm trying to say. Like, don't feel a weird as me get
No,
it
cause
started.
honestly still, I'm not gonna lie still, you could have called me a woman. Me know to make myself bust off faster than when the woman at work. Me just know the motion. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think that's the,
1, 2, 3, 4.
that's the same for
1, 2, 3, 4.
everybody. That is everybody.
No, but for real.
But
But a true.
when you're masturbate, it's easier for
Yo, if you want to bust off not 3 minutes. Yo, you bust.
Yo, you think of that? Hold on, you think of that? And when you're done, you know, see you look on the phone. That don't
Fuck
fuck
you, me
you
a
do.
Yes!
Jesus
Yo, you
Christ.
know, you really want. Like you come back to this, you look, God, what did I do?
Hold on, hold
Hold on,
on.
you ever feel bad after you like orgasm? You ever feel bad in yourself like
Sometimes I feel I'm
feel
wasted.
depressed?
No, me feel like I can start my day.
feeling gone.
After masturbation?
Yeah,
Yeah,
and,
after you-
and the
Alright,
high
I'm telling you,
gone.
alright.
You know,
It's
feel
basically
bad
like this.
and
It's basically like this. You know,
Not
like
really.
Ireland.
you feel like there's something wrong.
Like I'm wasted. You feel like I'm wasted.
Alright, suppose Ireland, like for instance, then, you have my time when I get up and look on Jody and I say, fuck that, she has to be can't bother she had, you can't bother for that.
Wait, Clara.
You just get a look one more shot.
Yeah,
I'm going to boom now, I'm going to type in, I type in. I love big ass, you know, so I'm going to type it in, I'm going to get
Yo.
to the motion, I'm done.
Yo, funny thing, no, you're right.
So I'm getting that motion, I'm done now. See me look for myself. I'm fucking here, I'm going to touch there, this is my bed, a lady, you really come here, so I'm like this. And see me,
Your shoulder like
hold
killer.
on, sit down. After you done the session, everything, you know. See me done the motion, you know, see, you know, me got some boom and kick that off and lock it off, and I say, alright then. I'm going to go and check it out and say, I still have something more left now. For the next one, so I'm going to go test try, push that machine. Come there and stop, me and sleep.
We're eating.
See me,
God, we blow.
See me, no, see me now, because I'm here, hey, come. Hey, if I lose my hand them sometime, you know. You know, me not survive, you know.
Listen, women don't like to be woken up sometimes.
So, oh, you know, wake up man
Yes,
early
adapt,
morning.
adapt, you know, say,
Una always
adapt, me
up.
no like, adapt, me no like. Me no like that part.
Always
You know the worst thing
Me no
about
like
it,
that
you know the
part.
worst thing about
Real
it,
talk.
you wake up with a stiff early mind as the crafty can just see it as so, you know, and tell me, ah, God, you're salute, you're strong, bro, you're strong. You see me? And see you, yeah, they never know if they're there, we just wake up with natural.
Yeah, you're not in a, alright.
They must say, so, oh, that's so strong.
That's the only
Me
thing
hear
I
them
feel
talk
bad
about,
about.
me hear them talk about, oh, if you never find that mood, you would up. So me say, what you mean? Come on, sometimes I want to sleep, man, sometimes I want to sleep. Me a human being.
Lies.
Me a human being.
That's a lie. That's a straight out lie.
That's the only
Me
thing
never
I
just say
feel
nothing about
bad
it,
about.
we just a talk about
And
things
that's
to
the
the...
only thing we feel bad about. The thing is that women, we just want to when we want to. We don't want you decide so when you feel like
I true that.
because that's
we're
something
selfish.
mistake.
And I guess that's something like
Selfish,
man have to
yeah.
try to
That's something
understand.
mistake.
It's rough,
You have to know
but
your partner.
Yeah,
it's rough, but
exactly.
it's a woman thing. You just have to understand it.
If you don't know your partner, you have come like say you force them to be intimate with you. And if you have to force somebody to be intimate, it don't make
No,
no
but
sense.
sometimes it broke vibes and you really, really want it. No, sometimes you
I
really...
don't want enough time feel bad.
Sometimes you want it, sometimes you want... And I mean, you love the person, let's you know.
If I just get vexed, I just feel like just throw them off the
Okay.
bed. Just throw them off the bed and just say, come on, can do.
I know sometimes you do me that already.
Leave!
Do me that already. Say, look here, what? No, not girl, no, my friend.
We're not good enough for you again.
Him got
Leave!
Waste of time. Waste of time. And you know the hottest thing too? And you know about me? They say they're in the mood, you know, brother. They're not look funny, but they're in the mood. See them, yeah? Make sure you put it on good in it. Say you're not in the mood and you're trying to find yourself. So get them to you now. What be
What the issue?
You're not.
You
Can you
know?
see you, right?
Yeah, is it me? And I'm when I want to find out, you're not into me again. You know,
See them, yeah? See them, yeah? You just not connect like that, like yesterday. Or you're not doing like yesterday. See, yeah? Bitch, yesterday was in the mood today.
Okay, but okay, I have a lot of burning topics, right? What pisses me off is when people are bother you and then when they come and perform and run the race, them you leg pull out, they
alright,
can't.
guess what the thing now?
That me no like.
Alright.
Me not talk about anything.
No, that can reach any man.
Nah,
Because
talk about
hold on,
anything.
that can reach any man. Because a man, it must reach any man. you're well excited and you're ready. Me say ready. But see at the time I'm me ready, you not ready, you delay me. You get for 5 minutes, you're in the mood. Me no want to this.
No.
You see that adrenaline rush that was there for you? Oh.
She ready when you're ready.
No.
And see ya, you see that you bust off quick. I am honey, nobody know
So
what
no
me
good
know
for
nobody
that?
ride me
You
so
know.
long.
Say me feel good when man bust off
Me no-
quick.
No,
A good front
I'm
that.
the one you ride me long.
You know, on the two
Come
twisted.
see.
No, women are
No.
twisted. Women are twisted.
Yes.
Woman are
Yeah, because it depends on everybody's mood.
Me and you have to go so together. You know for the
That
song,
can't
you know for
always
the
go so.
song.
You can't always go so.
No, everybody have
What's
The
the
second round,
back?
the second round is nice to me sometimes. Second
Me
round
hear when
is
man I ride me
Round
like
nine.
yeah.
The first round, to me, the first one I love. I love making.
Lovey-dovey and
Call that sex the
whatever.
foreplay.
That's
Yeah, call that sex the
And then the
foreplay.
second
See
round.
second round now.
depends on how the
Last
second round goes.
Stallion. Slave master. Whoosh.
Yeah, that's true. That's
Yeah man. But it all depends on our body,
God
how we
must
feel from the world, and then we go something there.
So, the million dollar question is this then. What are random thoughts people have through sex?
random talk.
You're like, because, to be honest, you know, you know say every time you have sex, you think about the sex come from public, and then you think about something hard, you think about something, you get you in the mood, make you go say, alright, I'm in the mood, I'm feeling it now.
Have you ever thought of somebody else who are having
Yeah.
sex with your partner?
With your current partner.
Yeah,
Current partner.
yeah, who the fire right now?
You
You never
who
think
they
about that?
Like think about
For
that
somebody
female.
Yeah, like you just come up in the
No,
you
you're
know,
mad. That girl, you're mad.
That's like a proper vibe.
Why would I
That's
think
a
about
proper
this?
vibe.
You're mad. Like I mean, and
The
next.
only thing I probably will do is maybe think about like music,
Yeah.
like a song.
Alright, you see me now?
No.
From high school days, you sing a sex, my remedy when I want come, you sing a cartel. This bad man will get gun because I'm gonna beat it. You don't know.
You think about a song.
No, I can't think about the next woman.
I don't
while-
think I've ever thought about somebody else.
I think about the next woman. I've do it direct
Oh,
I've
I
done
would
with the next girl.
think about like a porn scene. If it was a porn scene, we probably watched before, but
Oh,
now I
yeah.
think about somebody else.
sometimes for me it's weird, my all I think about, for me weird because I'm not thinking about when I eat at work yesterday or
No, man,
one
that means
card.
You know, in the sex.
but
You know,
it's weird,
it
so
is.
it just pop up in my head like, whoa, I'm a star, I'm to say, right, you know, but it's something funny yesterday. That would be
No,
weird,
no,
yeah, no.
alright, it's a reason why it would be weird to me because if you got to me, I don't come here and be like, I would say, oh, no, I should be like, yeah, I'm gonna say,
But I
and I realize,
thought,
Oh yeah, that's a comfort. That's a comfortable
yeah,
with
that's
each
the
other.
one. And then no, and then you have good means today, just steady, you know.
nobody not say
Just nobody
nothing.
not just talk, I
And
just
that's
like,
the way I think about. I
That's
said,
what
when I
I'm
don't say,
That happened, yeah, that happened
But
before.
when I mean think about somebody else
But
like
not somebody else.
sexually wise
But other stuff, yeah.
but
I
yes,
know that
random
something
thoughts.
cross my mind. What if things cross my mind? Everything, I don't know. If I always live in my own world, so I don't know, like, what if things always in my mind?
you think other people still. You think other people. You could have deal all you want. It's the only way you're the woman now go cheap on you, not go cheap on her. You know, for basically grow with each other, don't get in a relationship at first. Just know each other and grow with each other and make you experience what you need to experience and then go from this. But if you start from young age, you eventually break up and then come back again.
Or
Because
with each other, so
You see for me
we-
now,
I'm just
right now,
saying
for me, still, we can talk with myself. Been through, yeah, like literally.
You're orange, yeah.
No, I wasn't a whore.
You was a whore.
I am just a person of experience.
Very experienced.
That's all. And for me, I'll be honest with you. Sex not really, certain things not really fears me again. Like, you understand me? I said right now, when me reach my life, I just want to settle down. And that's a me reach still. I don't know about nobody else. But me not, one time I used to settle down, but then I used to break the rules and them thing. But me not really, me excited over a little porn. For me, for right now, I'm good. Yeah. No know where life is going about.
Something that
I agree with him say still. I know I must say still because some people lack, especially a virgin.
That's because them probably never exposed to certain things. Them never try get.
the reason why
So now them brain a wonder.